Had some rain today, an exciting day.
Yeah, I have not been able to say this very often, but let's go to the radar.
Good.
Yeah, let's check it out. Not much left here right around the Austin area, but the showers we saw a little bit earlier were certainly very nice, very welcome, and did cool most everybody down, even if you didn't get any rain where you were. A little shower dissipating there just to the northwest of Dripping Springs, also around Spicewood there southeast of Marble Falls, as you can see. Out in the hill country, we have some lingering downpours northwest of Burnett, between Burnett and Lampasas, and also out in Mason County, as you can see for yourself right there. Not everyone, as I mentioned, has been lucky enough to see rainfall today. The areas you see here that don't have any of these blue colors, that means it didn't rain a drop where you were, and that includes Round Rock and Cedar Park and up around Leander, South Austin. Much of Austin didn't really get much rain, so sorry for you folks. Southeastern Bastrop County, oh, look at there, 1.22 inches. That was the most that we saw. 2/10 of an inch in Bastrop, 6/10 of an inch there south of Dripping Springs, between there and Driftwood. West of Lakeway, about 6/10, about 5/10, half an inch there northwest Travis County, and then some lighter amounts out to the west, except in Mason County, where we picked up about 3/4 of an inch. That is fantastic. And the sky, well, that's nice just to see the cloud cover out there. Live view from our tower camera. Even though it's not raining right now in Austin, at least we've got the clouds that are pretty thick, still blotting out the sun this afternoon, keeping the temperatures, well, pretty reasonable, actually. And you can see some of those darker skies and the showers back off to the southwest of the Austin area right now. We're probably done with it here in the metro area for the evening. 85 degrees, though, rain cooled right now. We might actually bounce back to 92 or so between now and 8 o'clock tonight, and then drop back down to 87 degrees at 10 o'clock. Temperatures, again, across the area, rain cooled, even if you didn't get rain. 90 in Lockhart, 87 in Bastrop, 84 in Georgetown, 90 in Llano. So nice to not be pointing out all the 100s on the map to you at this hour. Mostly cloudy, 85 in the city and 88 degrees out at the airport. Southeasterly winds are 5 to 7 miles per hour right now. Mole count did bounce back up today with this tropical moisture moving in, 1,800 plus, that's high. Tropical storm Brett, about 300 miles south of Cape Hatteras. We're not worried about Brett. Brett is going to continue to move off to the northeast out into the colder water of the Atlantic and dissipate in about 3 days. Everybody across Texas not as fortunate as we are today. 100 in Waco, 100-degree weather all the way back into West Texas and even far West Texas. There are the showers that we've enjoyed today. Why have we seen this influx of tropical moisture? Because the center of the heat ridge has moved up here. 100 in Kansas City right now. Minneapolis feels like 115. There was one city in Minneapolis this afternoon where it felt like 125 degrees, the heat index. Incredible. But because that high has shifted there, we have this easterly flow now that should continue to bring us little ripples of low pressure out of the Gulf of Mexico, and combined with the tropical moisture, hopefully some scattered to isolated rain showers over the next several days. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. Here are the lows tonight, about where they have been, and I'm afraid we'll get to 100 again tomorrow before we see those showers pop up. 77 in Austin tonight. Tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun, and then hopefully a day like today where maybe if you didn't get rain today, you will tomorrow. On the 7-day forecast, we're going to go 30% again tomorrow. That may be a little optimistic, but we're optimistic around here. 20% chance on Thursday, 20% chance on Friday, and then only isolated activity as we go into the weekend. That means 10% or less, and then probably nothing after that.